Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Outlook errors on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is we can try to open the Microsoft Outlook in a safe mode. So for that, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. Or you can directly make a right click at the Start button and select Run. Then here you need to type outlook.exe space forward slash save. It's outlook.exe space forward slash save. Click on OK. Then you have to click on OK again, and this will bring up and open the Microsoft Outlook for you. Then you can now simply use it. Then for the second method is we also need to make sure that the Microsoft Outlook that we are using is updated, as outdated ones can also cause the issue. So in the Windows search bar, type Outlook. Best match, Outlook Classic. Now let me just close this Windows. Now once opened or once you are on your Microsoft Outlook application, you'll find this file tab right here at the top. Click on that. In the list of options right here, you'll find Office account, and here you'll find update options. So if you're going to update the Microsoft Outlook, you're going to update the whole Microsoft 365 Office, which includes the other products. Now click on the update options and click on update now. And now it will state you're up to date. The latest version of Microsoft 365 and Office are installed in your computer. Click on close. Then we can also make some changes in the firewall settings. So in the Windows search bar, type firewall. Windows Defender Firewall under the best match. Click on that. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you'll find allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And here you have to click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse. And we need to know the path for the Microsoft Outlook so that we can easily find it right here. So in the Windows search bar, type Outlook, which is the Outlook Classic that we are using. Make a right click, select Open File Location. And we need to copy this path right here at the top. Close this window. Paste it from here. Click on this arrow. Scroll down. And you'll find the Microsoft Outlook, which is the Classic. And click on Open. Click on Add. Now, in my case, this is already added in the list of exceptions. So in your case, you have to click on the Add button. And once added, we need to make sure that for both the public and the private, this is allowed for the Outlook application. So make sure to check these boxes. Once done, click on OK and close this. And we can also repair the Microsoft Outlook, and that also means that we are going to repair the whole Microsoft 365 Office. So click on the Start button, go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Apps, Installed Apps. But before that, we need to know the version of the Microsoft Office that we have. So we are going to open any of the Microsoft Office product. So in the Windows search bar, I'm going to open the Microsoft Word. This is also an additional info for you. Click on the File tab, click on More. Click on Accounts. So this is where you can find the version of your Microsoft Office. So mine is Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. I'll close this. And here we can find Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. Click on the three dots, select Modify. Now you will be asked how would you like to repair it. Go with Quick Repair first. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. Click on the Repair button, and you have to click on the Repair button once again. And once the process has been done, make a right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. But if in some cases that the Quick Repair doesn't fix your issue, go back to the Settings window, click on Apps, Installed Apps. Look for the version of your Microsoft Office. Click on the three dots, select Modify. So if Quick Repair doesn't fix, go with Online Repair. Click on this button. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires an internet connection all throughout. Click on the Repair button, and you have to click on the Repair button again, and you have to wait for the process to be fully completed and just restart your Windows afterward. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.